We are pleased to show you the 2021 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.